Господине Хинохоса, на почетокот дозволете ми да цитирам еден од многуте наслови во медиумите во САД од последниве 6 месеци. Федерален судија по трет пат го блокираше актот за забраната за патување на председателот. Која е позадината, кој е системот што му дава толку моќ на еден судија во Соединетите Американски држави за да може да го блокира дури и председателот?
The Constitution of the United States and the fact that we do have an independent judiciary. It would be untruthful for me to say that the appointment process is not political. Definitely the president, whoever the president might be, 90-some% of the time will appoint people from the same party as the president to the federal judiciary. Of course, the president doesn't appoint somebody unless there has been some very, very serious vetting and investigation of that individual, including investigation by the FBI, investigation with every place you've ever lived, every job you've ever had, every school you've ever been to, your financial statements, what statements you have made in the past, and all that is taken into consideration before whomever the president is makes a decision to nominate somebody. The Senate, at the same time, when they take their part about confirming you as a United States federal judge, also does an independent investigation that is very extensive. So it isn't that somebody's just picked politically. The president doesn't want to nominate somebody that's going to have some serious problems with regards to their past. The Senate doesn't want to confirm somebody unless they're assured that this person is going to be fair and impartial. And so that's the process. But ultimately, it is up to us as judges in the way that we exercise our independence and take our oath seriously.
Во вашата кариера, вие сте на два пати номиниран, еднаш од председателот Реган, еднаш од председателот Буш. Дали председателите или луѓе околу нив некогаш се дрзнале да ви се јават на телефон за услуга, или пак дали сте слушнале за таков случај каква била реакцијата на судијата кој што го примил повикот?
It would be unheard of in our system for either one of those presidents to think that they're going to pick up the phone and try to in any way influence my decisions with regards to judicial decisions. If anybody tried to do that, even on their behalf, the immediate reaction of any federal judge would be, I can't talk to you about any case, and I'm not going to listen to you about any case. We can do that freely because there's nothing that they can do with regards to after we're appointed and confirmed. But it would really be unheard of that there would be an expectation that we would be responding to some communication from someone simply because we have done something with them politically in the past, or because somehow we feel friendship with them. And that's true of not just the President of the United States. Any friend that we have who may have an interest in a case, the reaction is going to be the same. And so I think it's important for us as judges to set the standard with regards to how the public views what we do, especially in cases that are high publicity cases. Because those are the cases that form the opinion of the citizens of a country that their system works or doesn't work.
Веќе пети пат сте во Македонија. Упатени сте како се избираат и како се напредуваат судиите во оваа земја. Како би го коментирале фактот што ист состав на надлежното тело, на судскиот совет, без промена на законите, во рек од неколку месеци практично ги смени критериумите за унапредување на судии, случајно или не паралелно со промената на власта во Република Македонија?
Our system is very different because we don't have a judicial council that makes the decision as to who gets promoted. I will say that if you do have a judicial council and they do have rules and they do have ways of grading people, we don't get graded in our system, in the federal system. There is no grading system. But if you do have such a system, you should stick to it and follow it. And not make, depending on what the political situation is, to not follow the system as you have it as to who gets promoted and who doesn't get promoted. So there isn't the view that it does matter who's in power or who the politicians are in favor of or who who has friends or who doesn't have friends within the judiciary, as opposed to who did the best job and who deserves the promotion.
Македонската јавност веќе е информирана дека спротивно на законот кој предвидува делење на предметите на автоматизиран начин, што треба да гарантира непристрасност во делењето на предметите по судовите, сепак имаме голем број на прекршувања на овој принцип, односно голем број од судските предмети се делени на рака. Каква би била реакцијата во Соединетите Американски држави доколку одредена истрага покаже нешто вакво?
Within the court system, if there was somebody who was doing that, if they weren't getting paid and they were just doing it out of friendship, they would immediately get fired probably. If there was a criminal violation of a bribe or something like that, that would be prosecuted. And it should be. Because the last thing that you want the public to think is that it does matter who gets the case and that you can get favors done for you as far as who hears the case, because we know somebody at the courthouse or we know somebody that's willing to help us do it, and we really need this judge versus this other judge.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.